so you've asked and gotten as much as you're going to get from your friends and family to fund your new business venture. There is always one more family member you can try to tap for funds. Yours truly, Uncle Sam. Now, Uncle Sam does give out some money that doesn't have to be paid back in the form of federal grants. However, you will usually find that Uncle Sam is going to make you work really hard to get your hands on it. On top of that, you're going to have about a 10% chance of getting the money. You can increase your odds by hiring a grant writer. Once you've done that, however, the money is no longer free. Most federal grants are given to fund research and not new business creation. Now that you've found out that you're probably not going to get free money from the federal government, where can you go to get a loan? One of the best ways to accomplish this is to apply for an SBA loan. SBA stands for Small Business Association. This is an independent federal agency that was set up to assist small business development. It is important to realize upfront that when you apply for one of these loans, you're not applying directly to the Small Business Association. SBA loans are actually dispensed by banks and other special lending institutions. What the Small Business Association does is guarantee repayment of up to 90% of these loans if you, the borrower, defaults. With this guarantee, lenders are much more willing to lend credit to people that lack the creditworthiness to get a conventional private loan. The terms and the interest rates are also much better. Now, your Uncle Sam is no fool. He's not going to give out guarantees of 90% repayment without requiring that the loan be at least 50% collateralized. Some SBA lenders require 100% collateralization. This means that if your business fails, you're probably going to lose your house and any other valuable assets you might own. The Small Business Association also decreases its risk of losing money by requiring you to put up 20% of the capital to fund your business. As a result, these loans should not be taken out lightly. Only borrow the money if you're very confident your business will be successful. SBA loans come with rules that tell you what you can and cannot use the funds for. SBA loan money can be used to purchase real estate, existing businesses, machinery, supplies, and office furniture. It can also be used for construction costs. Long-term working capital for payment of services or for inventory can also be paid with SBA loan money. The SBA will not allow you to use the loan proceeds for reimbursing funds owed to any owner of the business. Borrowed funds also cannot be used for paying delinquent taxes. In addition, SBA money cannot be used to facilitate a partial change in business ownership if it does not clearly benefit the business. There are a number of different types of SBA loans you can apply for. By far, 7A SBA loans are the preferred option. The SBA guarantees between 75 and 90% of 7A loans. In most cases, 7A loans will have a lower interest rate compared to other SBA loan options. The borrower has to provide anywhere from 10 to 25% down payment, depending on what the proceeds are being used for. In most cases, the borrower is required to come up with 10% of the project cost. You need to provide 25% of the total cost if you plan to use the loan proceeds to buy goodwill. In 2011, the average 7A loan was for $274,000. The upper limit for 7A loans is $5 million. The terms of SBA loans depend on what the money is used for. Except for straight real estate loans, the terms for SBA loans are almost always better than those you can get privately. The typical SBA loan for real estate requires a 10% down payment and is amortized over 25 years. The SBA will usually give you 10 years to pay back a loan used to purchase equipment. Working capital loans usually come with a 7-year term. You can also combine the uses for real estate, equipment, and working capital and get a 15-year term. Express loans are 7A loans that are earmarked for veterans, reservists, National Guard members, and for spouses and widowed spouses of military personnel. These loans come with a faster turnaround time and better interest rates. With these loans, you can borrow between $10,000 and $350,000. The SBA also offers an alternative to 7A loans called the 504 loan program. 504 loans are mostly used to purchase real estate, machinery, equipment, or for construction costs. With 504 loans, the SBA usually provides 40% of the total project cost. The participating lender is expected to cover between 40 and 50% of the total cost. The borrower has to put up 10 to 20% down payment. The loan limit for 504 loans is $5.5 million. Since with 504 loans, the lender is guaranteeing more of the loan, the credit requirements are stricter and the interest rates are usually higher compared to 7A loans. Please keep in mind that SBA loans are just one way to raise business capital. I urge you to check out NewBusinessCreator.com to explore your other options. This website will provide you with a wealth of information and tools. If you can't obtain working capital and you're looking for outside-the-box solutions, NewBusinessTrade.com may be your perfect solution. This listing site brings entrepreneurs together with people or businesses that can provide research and development, services, materials, equipment, finished products, skilled workers, office space, retail space, warehouse space, or marketing. In return, these entrepreneurs will give equity, future royalties, or a percentage of sales in their business. What you're willing to trade for someone's participation in your business is really up to you. What is offered in your listing is only limited by your imagination. So why not give it a try? Go and check out your options for getting what you need at NewBusinessTrade.com. I hope this information was helpful. If you're looking for business solutions, an excellent website to check out is NewBusinessCreator.com. So ask yourself right now, what is your current business goal? Do you need to create a business plan or find key personnel? Are you an inventor that needs to find ways to protect or sell or license your intellectual property? Is raising business capital your primary concern, or are you looking for sales and marketing solutions? Whatever your business goal may be, in most cases, you can find a solution in NewBusinessCreator.com.